Welcome to the King Cat channel. Today we're doing our first plane spotting of this channel, and we're here at Midway International Airport where there's airplanes, yes, aircraft, and approaching this airport here. Yes, and let's see, they'll be going there and they'll keep going until they land there at the airport. We're gonna be going to plane spotting. Here comes an aircraft. Here it comes, here it comes. Here comes an aircraft. It's a jet. It's one of a jet. It's a jet. I think it's one of the net jets here. Yeah, it's an international airport because there's these aircraft like Southwest that they normally like stay here in the US. But we also have like a Volaris. They go to Mexico and all of those places. There's an aircraft taking off. The flashes are from an aircraft that's ready to be taken off. Aircraft ready to take off. Comment your name and I'll choose a winner to have a shout out for the next video. But remember to like and subscribe. Yes, here comes another aircraft. Here comes another one. It's a Boeing 737 coming in for a landing. Very common here. The Southwest is one of the most popular aircraft here in Midway International Airport. Another aircraft ready to take off. Remember to like and subscribe. here comes another aircraft coming in. Another 737. That one had a very bad camera. Sorry for that. Then we come another aircraft. Here comes another aircraft coming for a landing. Yes, Southwest has their 737s. They're the most popular model for their airline. Sorry, but this video was recorded. We can't live stream it because we have less than 50 subscribers. If we can get more than 50 subscribers, I will live stream. So please like and subscribe so we can live stream and you'll see all the aircraft and everything live here at King Cat JMG. Here comes another one. Another Southwest 737. Please like and subscribe so we can unlock live stream. This video was recorded due to this channel not having more than 50 subscribers. We can't do live stream, so subscribe so we can have live stream and see all our videos live. comes another aircraft. That was another Southwest 737. Comment below what is your favorite type of aircraft, Boeing or Airbus? Here comes another aircraft. Here it comes. What is this? Another Southwest Airlines. Departing a Southwest Airlines. Departing right now. It is the Patreon. Loud takeoff. Here comes another aircraft. Okay. And thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you like this video. And let's make our goal of 100 subscribers. Thank you. Bye.